Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So as you can see in my background, I'm currently on trading platform right now because this video is all about how to use or how to start up with a trading bot, okay? Currently this requires a lot of time, a lot of focus. So on this video, I have a suggestion to make it easier for you. For all of the traders out there, please stay tuned on this video because I'm gonna make your life a little bit more easier with this suggestion of mine. That being said, please, the thing you need to have here is, of course, a Telegram and a laptop, a desktop, even a phone is enough for you here, okay? So if you're using a phone and you're seeing I'm using a desktop, please stay on the video because it's technically the same process. So again, if you want to use Safari, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, or even Microsoft Edge, same as mine, please do so. It doesn't matter which kind of browser you have as long as you have access to the internet, okay? So basically, let's get started to it. The thing you need to go through is just Telegram. Once you open Telegram, I want you to type in this exact link, especially this last four or last digits right there. Okay? Once you type this exactly, you arrive automatically on this chatbot. So automatically it will type start right there, and then from here on out, just type in get access to bot because this is from um a vlogger or a YouTube content creator contact named Emma. So I got it from her and I'm sharing it to you guys, okay? So click access bot right there. It's just one step at a time. Just follow the link. Once you click on this one, you'll arrive on this message. You need to activate the bot trader via this Codex broker. So click that link. Click this link right here. Once you click on that one, you'll arrive on this platform, the one I got earlier. You just need to create an account here. Once you create an account, go back, and then she's gonna ask for the number of your account number. Where can you check on that? From this landing page, just go through this three dots right there, click on account. Once you click on account, you'll arrive on this platform. And you'll see the account ID right here. Okay, as you can see, not verified yet. I'll tell you the reason why it's not verified yet. So just copy this one, copy, and then paste it right there as I did earlier. And then from here on out, just wait for it to check your number. And as you can see here, your account has been found in the database. Last step, to access the ChatGPT bot trader is make a deposit at least $50. So as you can see here, before accessing this, before using it, you need to make a deposit of $50. However, after doing so, just check the deposit check right there and make sure you're all good right here. So the thing here is you just need to make a deposit over on this platform. You can use your MasterCard, Visa, Binance Pay, PayMaya, GCash, Bank of the Philippines, Ethereum. It's really up to you. Even crypto is accepted right here. Okay? The minimum is $50 so you can access this chatbot. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.